Going kayaking, an inflatable kayak. Me and my cousin.
Let's go.
Yeah.
You know, this is what I purposely think of. Hold on, do you want me to turn us around a little bit?
Turn this around?
Yeah, you want to like
Nah, let's go that way.
You want to go straight? Alright.
Alright.
You're the navigator, so.
We're out. We're stranded. We're not really stranded, but we just went out and saw a little. Nice to meet you. I'm Nathaniel. They already probably met me, but that's okay.
He's from the very first and early videos.
Yep. This is pretty fun, I can't lie.
Talking about a first milestone, 50 subscribers. It's crazy.
I'm just loving this. This is great.
It's very calming.
Wow, we are actually pretty far out. I like this is great. You wanna? It's either we start heading back or we start like going back, more into the middle-ish.
Middle-ish is more that way.
You wanna go start heading into the middle-ish? You need help? Yeah. Open, but it is full.